Tracking customer behavior in ShopWired can give you a powerful edge in understanding how your users interact with your store, ultimately boosting sales and improving customer experience. But here's the catch, there's a better way to do it, and I'll show you how by the end of this video. Now, let's dive in and explore how you can track customer behavior inside ShopWired. The first thing you'll want to do is utilize the built-in analytics dashboard. ShopWired's dashboard gives you an overview of your store's performance, including visits, sales, and even conversion rates. You can quickly get a sense of how well your site is performing, but here's the issue. It doesn't give you all the granular insights you might need to really understand customer behavior. For example, it doesn't show you individual user paths or heat maps, which is something we'll touch on in a moment. Next thing, let's talk about tracking customer activity with tracking scripts. ShopWired allows you to add custom tracking scripts using Google Analytics or other tools. This is helpful for monitoring customer activity like clicks, pages viewed, and even purchases. But without advanced segmentation or event tracking, you might miss out on some insights. For instance, tracking a simple page view doesn't tell you where users are dropping off in the sales funnel, which is crucial for improving conversions. The third thing is the limited ability for heat maps and session recordings. ShopWired does offer some integrations, but you'll need to bring in third-party tools for heat maps or session replay features. This is where things can get a bit tricky. Integrating these tools requires some extra work, and unless you're familiar with the setup process, you might miss valuable insights. Moving on, customer behavior tracking in ShopWired doesn't give you direct access to more advanced analytics like predicting customer intent or segmenting users based on their actions in real time. This is where many e-commerce platforms outshine ShopWired. Without predictive analytics, understanding how customers are likely to behave in the future becomes a guessing game. And here's the twist. While ShopWired does have some basic customer behavior tracking, it's not the best tool if your goal is to deeply analyze user behavior and use that data to craft more personalized customer journeys. For that, you'll need something that offers better insight into user behavior patterns, deeper segmentation, and more robust data analysis capabilities. That's why I recommend checking out a competitor that's specifically designed to give you the comprehensive analytics and customer insights you need. This alternative not only tracks behavior in depth, but also offers real-time behavioral triggers, allowing you to adjust your strategies on the fly. Now, before I wrap up, I've got some great news. If you're ready to level up your customer tracking, we've partnered with the best competitor in the game. Through our exclusive link, you can access an extended free trial, plus some amazing benefits that you can't get anywhere else. You'll get access to tools that are designed to do exactly what ShopWired falls short on, giving you a better understanding of your customers' behaviors and helping you convert that data into results. So, if you're serious about improving your customer insights, follow the link below to get your exclusive trial and start tracking customer behavior like a pro. Remember, while ShopWired does a good job for basic tracking, this alternative will take your tracking to the next level. Don't miss out, click the link, try it for free, and see how it can transform your e-commerce store today.